In today's video, we're going to be going over how top affiliates are making $12,000 to $18,000 per month with the Omnisend affiliate program. And I'll also be giving you 2 free strategies on how you can promote this affiliate program at the end of the video. And if you don't know what affiliate.watch is, it's a platform where you can come and find the best affiliate programs completely for free. You can also create an affiliate marketing profile. And if you haven't heard of Omnisend, they are one of the top marketing automation platforms in the whole world, and they can help you boost your sales through email campaigns, SMS, push notifications, and much more. And they have over 160 pre-built integrations. You can easily connect it to your online store if you're using Shopify, WooCommerce, WordPress, and many other top platforms. And they have a drag and drop email builder, so it's very easy to build email campaigns. They also have AI tools, so you can come up with campaigns quicker. You can also easily launch SMS campaigns to target your customers via mobile. They also make it very easy to segment your data, so if somebody clicks a certain link or purchases a certain product or is from a certain location, you can easily segment that data. And they probably have the best affiliate program in their niche because a lot of their competitors don't pay lifetime commissions. However, Omnisend pays 20% lifetime commission. They have a 60-day cookie window, and some of their affiliates are making straight bank at $12,000 to $18,000 per month. They also have an affiliate calculator right here, so you can see how much you can earn over time. So for example, if the average monthly plan is $200 and you're getting 5 customers per month and you have the 20% lifetime commission rate, and we look at this 12-month period, on month 1 we'll be making $200 a month, and by the end of month 12, if those customers retain, we will be making $2,400 a month. And signing up to the affiliate program is super easy. It only takes a few minutes. All you need to do is click the link down below, which will bring you to the affiliate partnerships page. And then you can go ahead and click this apply now button, and it'll bring you to this page, and you can go ahead and click sign up. And then it will show you the contract terms, and you can scroll down and you can agree, and you can go ahead and press continue. And it's on the Impact Affiliate Network. So if you already have an Impact account, just click sign in with Impact or find them in the Impact Marketplace. Otherwise, you need to click sign up with email or Facebook or Google or whatever you prefer, and fill out this 1-minute application and go ahead and click get started. And then once your application is approved, you can easily create an affiliate link and start posting it. They also have some assets and some images that you can post as well. One way you can promote this affiliate program is through YouTube videos. If we look at this featured affiliate on the Omnisend affiliate page, Silicon Valley Girl, you can see she has some tutorials on YouTube that go over Omnisend, and she has her affiliate link in the description. Another way would be to write blog posts on your blog reviewing Omnisend or writing about niche topics about Omnisend or different Omnisend integration. The Omnisend affiliate program is really good. If you want to find more affiliate programs, you can check out affiliate.watch. If you have any questions about the Omnisend affiliate program, leave it down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's